Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you about present continuous tense. So in previous class I have taught you about simple present tense or present indefinite tense. In that particular tense I have taught you that how you can make different kinds of sentence like affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence and negative interrogative sentence. So today I am going to tell you about present continuous tense. It is also called progressive tense. इस tense को progressive tense भी कहते हैं. So let me tell you first what is present continuous tense. So present continuous tense are the tense which used to express such actions which are going on in present time or it will be continue in near future. So let's get started. So first, how to form or make affirmative sentence in present continuous tense. So its pattern means structure in affirmative sentence. So the pattern is subject plus is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing form. Verb 1 plus ing form plus object. And at the end of the affirmative sentence, you have to put full stop. So let me give you one example. In affirmative sentence, I am playing here. I am playing here. It is an affirmative sentence, and let me tell you where and when you have to put is, am, are. If the subject is third person singular number, that means he, she, it or any singular names, you have to put is. And if the subject is plural, okay, that means first person, second person and third person plural subject, you have to put are. And am is only used when the subject is I. So here the subject is I, so I have put am. Okay, so next is negative sentence. Negative sentence. So its structure or pattern is subject plus is, am, are plus in negative sentence we have to put not. Okay, after helping verb and not plus verb 1 plus ing form of the main verb plus object. In negative sentence also the sentence ends with full stop. Okay, so just now I told you that is written with the subject which is singular, that means third person singular, he, she, it and any singular subject. So I, for example, I am not playing here. I am not playing here. So in all the sentences in present continuous tense, the main verb is always written in ing form. Okay, just remember that the main verb is written in ing form, that means in progressive form. So playing. So now interrogative sentence. How can you make interrogative sentence in present continuous tense? So yesterday, in previous lessons also I have told you that interrogative sentence are of two types. One is yes no type and the other is WH type. Okay. So in interrogative sentence, helping verb is MR is written before the subject. In S no type interrogative sentence, is am are plus after is MR. Okay, after helping verb you have to write subject plus verb 1 plus ing form plus object plus question mark. So always remember that an interrogative sentence always end with question mark, not full stop. Always end with question mark. So this is yes no type interrogative sentence. Now I will tell you WH type interrogative sentence pattern. So first you have to write WH word. After that is MR helping verb plus subject plus verb ing form plus object, and after object question mark. So this is the pattern of interrogative sentence. So just now I told you that interrogative sentence are of two type, S no type and WH word type. So in S no type, before subject is am are is written, and after that subject, then ing form of the verb plus object plus question mark. And in WH word type interrogative sentence, first we have to write WH word, what, how, why, who, where, which, etc. So these words are written before is MR, and after is MR subject is written, and after subject verb ing form plus object plus question mark. Let me give you one example. Am I playing here? So at the end of the interrogative sentence you have to put question mark. So this is yes or no type interrogative sentence. Now I will tell you WH word type interrogative sentence. So why am I playing here? And after that question mark. Why am I playing here? So the next is negative interrogative sentence. How to form negative and interrogative sentence? So its pattern or structure is negative interrogative. So its pattern is am are plus subject plus not plus verb 1 plus ing form plus object plus question mark. So it is the pattern of negative interrogative sentence. So it is in yes no type interrogative sentence. Okay, is am are plus subject plus not plus verb ing or progressive form plus object plus question mark. So am I not playing here? And after that, at the end of the sentence, you have to put question mark. Okay. Now in WH word type interrogative sentence, in negative interrogative sentence. Okay. First you have to write. Its pattern is WH word plus is, am, are plus subject plus not plus verb 1 plus ing, form of the main verb plus object plus question mark. So it is the pattern or structure of WH word type interrogative negative interrogative sentence. So let me show you one example. Why am I not playing here? And after that, at the end of the sentence, question mark. Why am I not playing here? One thing you must remember, that a sentence always start with capital letter, and the subject of the sentence is always a noun or pronoun. It may be end with full stop, exclamation mark or question mark. So for today's video lesson only this much. If you have any doubt or question regarding this lesson, you can comments below. Thank you.